Good morning, guys. I am here with a mail time from Jenny over at Jennysis Crafts, and you guys will have heard me, well, you regulars will have heard me talk about Jenny a few times previously because I have used her a few times previously. When I rebranded, even before I rebranded, Jenny used my logo and everything to put on a cup, and the teddies, well, not the actual teddy, the teddy t-shirts. The big teddy that I have, which is all the way over there, the rainbow one, she did these little t-shirts for this Ted. I ordered this teddy from Jenny for my 1000 subbies giveaway prize, and it had the, back then, because that was before I rebranded, it had the Northern Craftaholic UK logo on it. That's how it came. I got two because I knew I wouldn't want to part with it, so I ordered two so I could keep one and I could give one away. Well, our Debs won that teddy, the other teddy, so she got that sent to her with the other t-shirt on. And then when I rebranded, I was like, oh Jenny, I need 2 t-shirts with the new logo on, please, then we can swap them over on the teddies. I'll swap mine over and I will send one over to Debs for her to swap hers over, because she uses her teddy in the background when she's doing design team projects for me in her videos. But yeah, so like I said, you'll have heard me or seen me talking about, you'll have seen stuff that I've got from Jenny before, you'll have heard me talking about Jenny before. But anyway, yeah, Jenny's over at Jennysis Crafts, and she is basically a supplier. She'll do all sorts of things like mugs and coasters and all sorts of business packages. She does teddies, not just for business either, for personal use as well. I got the grandbaby teddies from her. I got a dinosaur, 2 bunnies, well, a giant dinosaur, 2 giant bunnies, and another one of those teddies with t-shirts on with the kids' names printed on them. Yeah, all sorts of stuff like that. But predominantly I use Jenny for business. But yeah, I love how she's changed her logo to a Christmas one, avatar to a Christmas one. So cool. Well, what's she been up to today? Not today, but this week. Hi, I'm Jenny. Recently, I've been watching The Mandalorian. I still haven't watched any of them. Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I haven't seen that for ages. Taskmaster. GBBO. Not sure what that is. Episodes. The Queen's Gambit. The Crown. Star Trek Discovery. Jingle Jangle. You've Got Mail. The Losers, The Boys, Hansel and Gretel, and Holiday. Cool. And then it says, news. Nearly the end of the year now, and what a year it has been. I will have already closed my order books by the time you read this, but if order slots open, I will be posting on my social media. It really has been crazy, and I'm so grateful for you all and your support. Patreon will still be open and boxes still being sent out for the higher tiers. I am still creating exciting goodies behind the scenes, calendars being one, and I must admit I am loving how they are turning out so far. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. You are amazing. Love, Jen. Cool. Oh, thanks so much, Minxy. Love, Jen. You're welcome. You are very welcome. And here's her Patreon details. You can find her on Patreon. Come and pledge and join my exclusive community for goodies, freebies, discounts, exclusive content and behind the scenes fun. December Patreon theme is Winter Wonderland. Pledges start at $3. www.patreon.com/JennysisCraft. All the details, the links and everything will be below anyway, guys. But yeah, so right, I apologise because as you can see, this has already been opened. I've done this video once already and all excited and everything. I've just did everything I've just done, been through the spiel and what have you, got through the full video, and I was like, right, thanks for watching, bye guys. Went to hit the button to turn off and I was like, oh, you are kidding me. I hadn't even pressed record in the first place. So yeah, I just waffled through a whole video that I never even recorded, which is just so typically me right now. Anyway, I ordered some t-shirts from Jen. And yeah, I got them with the business logo on, and then I got another one that's kind of business related, but not. We'll get to that in a moment. Excuse me. Okay, so I got, as I said, t-shirts with the business logo on, mainly for Social Saturday videos. I just thought it'd be really cool to wear these when I do Social Saturdays. That way, you know, it's there on show. Not that it matters to you guys and all, but, you know, just make me feel a bit more business-like. But yeah, I got this one, which just has the logo on the front, nothing on the back. I figured that'd be a good one to wear while I'm out and about and what have you, because nobody can see the back of the t-shirt when I've got a cardigan on or a jacket, especially in this weather, a coat. But yeah, so that just has the logo on the front. It's awesome. I love it. And this one, as I will be wearing them during videos as well. Oh, no, it's inside. Not try and turn it inside out, woman. I had the logo printed on the front, but I also had the banner image printed on the back. Because, as you guys are well aware, during Social Saturday, sorry, I will keep wanting to say Vlogmas, during Social Saturday videos, I do spend quite a bit of time, I know I spin the chair anyway, but I spend quite a bit of time turning around and just aimlessly looking around the craft studio, not craft room, studio, aimlessly looking around the studio thinking, is there anything here I can show you that I've forgotten about? Because sometimes I'll do projects and stuff and I'll put them in the baskets out the way, that sort of thing, like bits of ephemera, and I'll put them in my ephemera baskets, then I know where they are. But yeah, so a fair few times during the videos, during Social Saturdays, I will turn around, so when I do, you will be able to see the back of the t-shirt and you will be able to see the banner image. Yay! Yeah, just a silly, quirky novelty thing more than anything. But yeah, so I've got 2 t-shirts. Also, it'd be good during summertime, when I don't have to wear a cardigan or a jacket. But yeah, so 2 business-related t-shirts, and I'm so excited. Sorry guys, Taylor just popped down to get his chocolate out of his advent calendar. But yeah, so like we're saying, just some novelty things, and I was just saying as well, I think, I'm not sure, that would be handy. I think I said that already, sorry guys, but that would be handy for during summertime when I don't have to wear a cardigan or a jacket out and about. Anywho, so I got those. I'm super duper pleased with them. I love them, Jenny, they're amazing. And then I got this. This is not business related, but it is sort of. Confused much? I'm not even going to show it all off completely. I'm sorry, Jem, but, you know, this will have its own video at some stage. So let me just position it properly off camera. It's a black t-shirt. I love black. Right, let me just strategically fold this, and then I can get part of it in, but not all of it, but enough for what I want to show. I know, very cryptic, guys. All will make sense in a future video. That'll do. Okay, so that's all you're getting to see. This, like I said, is another Jenny. As I was saying previous, I think it was this video, I can't remember now what got said in the other video and what I've already said in this one. This is a personal thing, but also it will crop up in a future video, and it'll be, whoa, sorry guys, it will be in a future Social Saturday video. I'm not going to say when. It might, I'm not doing one today. Today is actually Saturday, but I'm not doing one today. It won't be obviously today's, might be next week's, might be Boxing Day. If I do one on Boxing Day, I don't know yet. It could even be sometime in 2021. I'm not going to mention it. Well, I'm not going to tell you because I don't know. I'll just decide one day. Today's the day. When you see this t-shirt, bit of a spoilers for you guys. I'll make sure the t-shirt is visible in the thumbnail for the video when I do it. When you see this t-shirt, or you see the thumbnail of a video with this, a Social Saturday video with this t-shirt, go and watch it, because it means there's going to be a secret giveaway within that video. There you go. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. But like I said, I am not going to put a date on it or anything, because it might be in the next couple of weeks, it might be in the next couple of months even. But as soon as you see a thumbnail with this t-shirt, so memorise these colours and the t-shirt and sort of the pattern. When you see a thumbnail with this t-shirt in it, a Social Saturday video, mind, not a normal video, a Social Saturday video, then you need to watch the video, because within that video there will be a secret giveaway, or there will be instructions on how to take part in a secret giveaway. And I'm doing it that way because that then definitely helps to wheedle out the people who just subscribe to enter the competition and then unsubscribe after when they do or don't win. I'd much rather prizes go to my loyal followers and watchers and supporters and subbies. So yeah, but anyway guys, so there you go, spoilers. Keep an eye out for this. Like I said, it could be any time, it could be within the next couple of weeks, or it could be in the next couple of months, I don't know. It will definitely be within the next 6 months, that's for definite. Because I won't be able to wait any longer than that. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do, I think what I'll do is, obviously not tell you guys, but what I will do is, when I have finished doing this video, in my Vlogmas video, in a previous Vlogmas video, this was one of my Advent prizes, which is a 2021 diary. The only thing I've wrote in it yet is YouTube video schedule diary, because that is what this is going to be. There's nothing in it at all yet, but this is going to be my 2021 YouTube schedule diary, and it's just going to sit up there where I can see it, and then that's it, because it's only got little spaces, you know, it's not a full page one, it's only got little spaces, which is perfect for writing down video ideas, or when I've done a video and I schedule it, which video is going to be scheduled for which day. What I will do is, when I finish this video, I will take that to Taylor. I'll wait till Taylor comes back down, and I will tell him, between now and June, between now and June, which is 6 months, pick a Saturday, any Saturday, a random Saturday, and write down on it secret giveaway. But yeah, so that's what I'll do. I will get Taylor to pick a random Saturday between now. Today is Saturday the... well, it's not even in this book. No, the next 2 Saturdays aren't in this diary, but I will get him to, if he wants to choose one of those 2 Saturdays, I will tell him, you know, you've got next week and the week after Saturday, and then the next one will be that one. Yeah, because next week will be, is it the 18th, I think, or the 19th? The 18th, I think. And then the week afters will be Boxing Day, so that will be the 26th. So then the week after that will be that one, the 2nd. And then so on right through to June. Let's go to the beginning of June. So 6th of June will be his cut-off. No, 5th of June, sorry. That will be his cut-off point. So I'll tell him any Saturday between now, which is Saturday, but I'm not counting today. Between now and the 5th of June, I'll tell him just pick a Saturday at random and put down secret giveaway, and that's when we will do it. But yes, guys, anyway, so please go and check out Jenny. All the relevant links to Jenny will be below. And yeah, thank you, Jenny. I love it so much. And yeah, just amazing, guys. I'm so chuffed. you'll see me wearing these t-shirts in normal, excuse me guys, sorry, you'll see me wearing these t-shirts in normal social Saturdays. They don't count, they're just normal. It's when you see this one you need to watch out for a giveaway. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all well, and yeah, hope you're all staying safe and warm. It's getting cold over here now, or if you're in the opposite ends of the world, I hope you're staying cool. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon. Goodbye.